What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making a different type of video. I used to make a lot of cinematics and just using music in my videos, and today I kind of want to get back into that, and we are not going to be filming this car. Well, we kind of are filming this car, but we're mainly going to be filming my neighbor's car, Clint, with the white T-Sec. But I am literally just wrapping up the car. So what happened is my car actually, the starter blew up. So yesterday I decided to hop in the car and go for a drive, and the car didn't start, and it was because of the starter. So I already went ahead and replaced it. I ended up just getting a reman from CarQuest because the only one I could get at the time. Now before we head out, I'm gonna drop the hood down, put my kick panel back in because I had my OBD2 port wasn't working. I wanted to check the battery voltage, but yeah, that's fixed now. So let's go, and if you guys haven't seen engine bay in a while, does have some hybrid racing goodies, the hybrid racing coil pack cover, the oil cap, and I do have the dipstick, but it doesn't fit this cover just because of the cutout, but looks better than, I guess, OEM for now, right? And then it's got the Comtech icebox with a drop-in Canon filter that's in there, and nothing else really. I do need to put on this Bugatti oil cap that my brother got me for Christmas, and this reservoir cover. We are cruising to a location so I can film his car, but it's such a nice day out, especially after it rains. Oh, this grass! You know what's funny? You're not even using any type of cleaner.
I know, it's bad.
Yeah, I recorded that, by the way. Started with the first series, I guess, of me reviewing people's cars or documenting cars. This is Clint. No rivals. He's actually my neighbor. I already said it in my past videos, but this is his TSX that you guys probably seen on my Instagram if you guys follow my Instagram. But I'll drop his Instagram and all his, I guess, socials down below. This is pretty much a CL9 with a spoon front bumper that used to be mine, then was Angel's. Wait, hold on. Was Thomas's, then mine, then Angel's, and now Clint's. And he does have another bumper, but he has a fake one. This is actually a real spoon bumper though, that I cracked, and then I guess Angel repaired right here. Seeing his car actually makes me miss having my white TSX, especially his does have black interior but with pole positions. Oh my god, you got money. Pole positions. What shifter you were using?
Stock shifter with the hybrid shift knob.
You need to upgrade to hybrid racing or something. Soon. Sorry if the car looks overexposed because this is a white car. And he does have 17 by 8, 35, right guys? I actually did tell him to get rid of these because this looks so out of place. Downforce. And don't mind all the shit talking, guys. Like, if you guys saw my past videos with Just for Fun and everything, like, we always shit talk each other. That's how we motivate each other on our builds. And you got some fake Mugen calipers too.
Oh,
these are, he just bought a stencil and he painted it on, right?
no, it's a sticker.
It's a sticker? Dude, that's actually impressive.
Dude, they're real.
Dude, you can see the sticker though. And then, are these the OG ones? The center caps? Or are these
so
the...
those are made by my friend Joel. He used to own a company called Shift Pattern, and they made like wheel stuff, like lug nuts, and even reproduce those.
They look very close to the originals.
Yeah, they look really close to the original ones. So it's so hard to find original center caps for the Rega Masters.
Yeah, that's actually, it's pretty spot on. Have you seen the thing where someone made a meme where this is the top of a fence post? Yeah. He is running the A-Spec rear lip for 0608. If you guys don't know the difference between this and the UR, the A-Spec has that little dip down versus like the UR is all like one piece or straight cut through.
All one color too.
Yeah, all one color. And this is actually his second, or no, he has two white T-Sexes. This one's all stock. Well, exhaust wise. I mean, the interior works belt hub. What is
eBay oil pressure gauge.
eBay oil pressure gauge? To be honest, can't knock the hustle. It actually looks really nice. Is that a glow shift one?
Yeah.
That's not eBay. That's just like Summit Racing or
Yeah.
AutoZone.
The font on it actually matches the cluster. That's why I got it.
You want to pop your hood, sir? Sorry if this is like weird. I just haven't done anything like this. I'm just going through the car, I guess. Okay, there we go. Voila. This car has actually been on the smoking channel with Matt Ferreira on YouTube. But since then, he has done a lot of different changes. So if from the top of my head, if I had to look at this, let me guess. Circuit Hero?
Circuit Hero.
Okay, Secret Oil Cap, High Racing, RBC, Manifold, Coil Rad.
It's an early gen coil rad I got from Tony Jackson.
Oh, that's why it doesn't have the stamping, huh?
Yeah.
I actually need one. I'm just waiting to get it. Comtech Icebox. Nissan battery. He does. It's okay. Honestly, they all come from the same place. They're all the same size.
Yeah.
Clean as battery shroud though. And then Cusco
Replica.
catch can. It's fake.
It's fake.
How's it fake? Actually, hold on. Yeah, it's not very clear, as in like sharp.
Yeah.
Damn. You know what? I love that you admitted that. Most people wouldn't. What innovative mounts? Oh, I see that you heat wrapped your power steering lines, right? Or your rack and pinion?
Yeah, I'm on my third rack and pinion on this car.
Yikes!
So,
I cannot.
anyone who owns a TSX has done one once in their life.
I've never done it on this or the
Oh,
white
you
one.
jinxed yourself. You jinxed yourself.
No, it's fine. I always pay attention to my fluid, but I feel like that can't be the cause sometimes, right?
Actually, it kind of is. It just gets cooked. I was at Willow Springs one weekend. Actually boiled the power steering fluid, and just because it's run so close to the exhaust manifold.
Yeah.
So.
I think what is it? Arthur made like a heat shield. It still didn't even work.
Yeah,
right?
mine has the heat shield too, with gold tape on it. The factory heat shield. Just can't really see it.
Damn. This is a clean bay though. This is first like OEM plus.
Yeah.
Yeah, OEM plus. What else do you have in here, sir?
That's I got the TN coilovers, the EDFC motors.
Oh shit! Wait, do they actually work?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Damn, this guy's baller. He can adjust it on the fly. Why'd I have to twist and turn it? Wait, where's your controller at? Oh, I see it. It's right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, what the hell? Big baller. I need some seats, to be honest.
That's pretty much it. It's got all hard race suspension, PCI.
I mean,
Front
it is
steering
it's
pushing.
2 and 2 though, technically, right?
It's tuned, yeah.
Yeah. So it gets down. My shit's slow as hell. If you guys ever own a stock TSX like this one, these are slow. Versus like getting one of these with like a Honda or reflash. Alright, that's it. That's the end of the video. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get some rollers of his car. We'll probably mop somewhere and then I guess to stay on my left side or something. But my car is just there just because. I forgot to mention that he does have your R side skirts and then mine are just the 06, 08
From Russia.
from Russia. Okay.
Actual camera, so I could take like.
For reals, I'm wasn't doing a quick run around because the sun's gone right now, and oh, I forgot to mention too, or I just noticed he does have the JDM taillights, outer taillights, just exact like me, so it has that amber to it. But here's both the cars, pretty much same car, different build. I got a fat wing, he doesn't. TEs, Regas, then I guess the two best wheels, right, at the time. Oh no, the sun's coming back out, and then we still just have the OEM bumper with the Mugen grill, and then the Russian splitter, and then the spoon bumper, which, don't get me wrong, it's probably the best looking bumper. You know what? I'll be honest with you. I think the best aftermarket bumper for this car is the spoon bumper. It just, the smooth looks so sleek, and then the J's bumper looks like a fish to me. But I don't know, man. I mean, I'm not trying to be biased because like I used to own this bumper, but this looks so good. And all the dudes in Japan that like tracks their cars with the spoon bumper, it just goes hard. Best looking bumper. Get them now before they get discontinued. Who knows? And then I think he's trying to work on getting a spoiler or something. We might test fit my Voltex wing on his, but we're not gonna drill it. We're just gonna plop it on top because he has that bumper, and I think it'll go well with the bumper. Also, since the stands that I'm using on the 1S is actually very like even with the roof, versus like the wing being shorter than the roof, which I think is a thing that that you should do. Right, Spoon versus Jays.
Spoon all day, baby.
Yep, told you. Well, that's why he has on his car. Oh, dude, the lighting's perfect.
That looks good right now.
Yeah. All right, let's just do some B-roll of the cars. We're back home. Huge shout out to Clint for letting me shoot his car, and honestly, we're just both of us kicking it, just homies. And then the car's back. I picked up one of his bumpers that is actually was in his storage, and yeah, it's a Spoon replica bumper. It's not a real one. This is made by VIS Racing, which does fit a lot better than like Duraflex and stuff. And he has a real one on his car, which popped up for sale all of a sudden, so he bought that from Angel. And then this one is just here, and I wanted to test fit it. So we're gonna test fit it and see how it fits and see what it looks like on the car. And then after that, if all goes well, I'll work out a deal, and then I'll probably wrap this green and then have an OEM bumper and a replica Spoon bumper that I can smash. Because the other one that's on his car used to be mine, and I actually cracked it within like an hour of having it on the car. That's it for this video. If these guys want the others, maybe the next video will be us test fitting this bumper, or we'll literally just see what happens. But for now, kind of beat, and yeah, peace.